We are in Smithfield, Utah, which is about an hour and a half north of Salt Lake City.
Correct.
Had a great time today with Ryan and his son and his crew. They just purchased the CM2400 20-inch airlock, the hopper extension with the vacuum hood. So we're recycling wall spray. Caden did the spraying here and did a great job. Ryan and I assisted, as well as his crew. So we just wrapped this up. What do you think about adding this spray cellulose to your offerings here in Smithfield? Do you think it's something people are looking for?
Yes, absolutely. I think it's going to be awesome.
What do you think about the equipment and the training you received today?
I'm happy with it. Everything's kind of went together, flip the switch and it turns on. The training has been awesome. They've been here from first thing this morning and kind of walked us right through everything. That's what's been kind of nice. When I was actually looking for a machine, there was other places that were kind of steering us away from the wall spray. That was something that Caden really wanted to get into. When we got a hold of Cool Machine, they got us in with Barry. Everything kind of started just flowing nice, and I mean, we're really happy with you guys.
Ryan, I appreciate your business. I appreciate your hospitality and lunch and having us out here, and I'm sure we'll be talking over the phone and having FaceTime, and maybe once we're out here again, we'll stop in and see how it's going.
I hope so.
Thank you.
Thanks.